Today I'm making delicious beans porridge with sweet corn, cooked in a special but simple way. It's hearty, flavorful, and super easy enough for anyone to try. Let's get started. Welcome to Tolulicious Kitchen. What I have here is already boiled water. Into the boiled water, I'm going to be adding 4 cups of white beans into it. You can use red beans. I'm doing this just to parboil it. I covered it, turned down the heat, and I'm going to leave it here for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I came back to it. I opened it. You can see, let me show you how the water looks. Let me take part of the water and show you in a cup for you to see how it looks. Look at what we have here. Can you see the color? It's to take away any dirt from the beans away. We haven't finished from washing it. Now I'm going to pour it into a sieve. First of all, pour some cold water into it before pouring everything into the sieve because of my sink. All right, so lovely. You can still see the water, how it looks. This is going to keep it clean, free from any pesticide, free from any dirt. Okay, so I rinse it very well. Let me quickly use this opportunity to say thank you so much to all my returning subscribers. Thank you so much to you all. I appreciate you. God bless you. Newcomers, please remember to subscribe to Tolulicious Kitchen. Thank you. So I'm going to pour it back into a pot and I'm going to pour hot water on top of it. I plug that in my kettle. This is a good idea. It makes it a lot quicker. Okay, so now I'm going to cover it and allow it to start cooking. While the beans is cooking, I'm going to move to the next preparation. This is a pot. I'm going to pour some palm oil into it. Feel free to use vegetable oil if that is what you want to use. It is also good. All right, so I heat it a bit. I poured in diced onions, saute for a minute to 2. Now I have bell pepper here, tomatoes and onions. So I'm going to pour the blended mix into the palm oil and give it a good stir. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. Join Tolulicious Kitchen. Thank you. So I'm going to allow this to fry down. You can see how it is. I will be stirring it occasionally because it has to be really turned to fried pepper before we get to the stage that we want. That's why it's going to be stirring occasionally. So I'm going to add salt after frying for about 15 minutes. I added salt. Now I'm going to add seasoning. After that, I'm going to add crayfish powder. This is very, very good. If you have crayfish powder, be generous with it. Please check the description box for the exact measurements of the ingredients I used here. All right, so I give it a good mix together and I'm going to allow it to continue frying on the low heat. All right, let's go and check our beans. Look at the beans at the stage. It is now 60% done. Now I added diced onions into it. It looks dried, but check it. You can see I still have some water there. If you check yours, if it is dried, please add some water, cover and allow it to boil till almost done. Lovely. What I have here is optional. I want to cook this with corn. If you live in abroad, you can always get your corn at your supermarket. Get a tin corn like this. Drain the water before you add it into the beans. At this stage, this beans is already 80% done, so I'm going to add the corn into it. The corn is also parboiled already. It's already sweet boiled corn. I gave it a gentle mix and I'm just going to allow it to know themselves. I added a bit of water, covered it and boiled together for about 15 minutes. Let's check our pepper. Look at the pepper. It has turned to fried pepper at the stage. The aroma is saying it all. So lovelies, it's now time to also introduce the pepper into the beans. I poured in the pepper for them to become one, give it a gentle mix together, and I'm just going to allow them to boil together for about 10 to 15 minutes or till it gets your consistency that you want. If you want it thicker or you want it a little bit watery, okay, it depends on your desire. Okay, lovelies, this is how I want it. Look at it. I want it dried. This is how I want this. This is super good. Prepare your beans this way next time, and I bet that you're going to love it. Please remember to share, remember to leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.